Outside there, my country people. Now it don't happen, and for years you sabi say we tell una strong story the way they happen for inside and outside the country, for any corner where it hide. And for we story we get and for we today, we get case them for thief people where they cash and for that side for Konsamba. We get BB talk the way minister them, they don't talk for inside with country. And we get cases that will happen for outside our country, even sport news them, entertainment news, all kind news, we get them. And we go like say make you take cheers, you know. When we come back, we go enter all this story them proper.
Don't touch that dial. Entertainment is never.
I say, come good, my country people. Sabi say, now the only story program this way, it is ginger you put us, sweeten your heart, and it do you good. We get to read them, and I would like some people to start for this story them proper. We go start for this case for thief people, where they cash and for that side for Konsaba. Sabi say, this one will be thief people again. This one they call and say gang, because they actually plenty. And they overdo plenty bad thing them. Sabi say the boys them, they don't thief all kind of thing where they fit thief and for the outside, they don't thief even documents, bicycle, wheelbarrow, all kind of thing. Even your spoon where there for backside, the boy they need to leave arm, it rest. They don't thief kind thing them for that Konsamba side day, but last, like they used to talk, 99 days for the thief, 1 day for the owner. All the owners they don't gather for Konsamba. Only for CD people where they carry their thing there for their house by force. And where I want to say thank you for the police where they did for that side, where they do really better work, and I want to congratulate them. I want to say may they continue to do the kind of better work so that my country it go there fine. You know, fine where they keep thief people them outside. We go to for the case for Russia where they catch 6 of we people them. Where they make na counterfeit money, this one na Cameroonians, they go that side, they make na counterfeit money. You don't imagine say, we there so with the hustle, we were 2 kolo hand them, 2 kolo food, they go to there, do better work for all side, but the boy they say lie to lie, they go only go hustle. Now for do counterfeit money, that means say fake money, where it not get used and it not be recognized. The boy them, they catch them for that side for Russia. And they lock them up. They now ministry for that side for inform we embassy. Say now the thing that don't happen, America identify the boy them. Once say made this kind, made another kid represent we for the kind way. We not like them because we be very good people and we like say they represent we rightly. You know go for my defend my country. God they make counterfeit money. What over $10 million? You want use and do it. Where people the hustle up and down, you they make counterfeit money. Where be? I beg we change. This kind of thing, no, they find, and I want and say, may we change. We go take go for that side for Baffled subdivision, for that side for Northwest. Sabi say we minister at Tanganchi, Paul, we go there, and if you give strong numbers, if you even salute the deal. If you see the office, for see the good work where it don't happen for days. I be say they be don't burn that office, but they don't bill them back. And if you talk plenty strong talk them. One of the strong talk the way I want to tell and I say, it talk say for these boys the way they dey in the bushes, say may they come out and make them if they want can surrender, if they fear that for go for chief, if you don't want go for chief, you don't want go for priest, you don't want go for pastor, go surrender. You said you think go for military, but for fear, say may they not shoot you. When you want to go for military, it say make you hold one hand white handkerchief, another hand peace plan. You hold and so carry a 2 hand for up, you go surrender. Nothing that way. If you talk as if you reach for that side, we get 2 big man for Ministry of Forestry, of Agriculture, Livestock, and Forestry where they be put in. For appointment signed by Papa Paul Bia, where if you don't put it, Sabi say this industry, this particular sector for we country don't over the suffer. He never stay where they kill lion, where he go for far north, he 11 people. And we just confirm, say, one of that 11 people be died because of that lion attack. And now, so where they don't put big man for forestry, we hope, say, he go help solve this problem. Sabisu say, even Morocco self don't discuss, all things don't discuss. Even foul self don't discuss. And the hope, say, he put in them way, he go work out fine. Sabisu say, all that minister them, they don't do better thing them. You see the one way will be talk. For the one for accident, he go put camera them for road. Even for boys who talk, we get to the way they enter with here for Congo side, the tell say they arrange that street like the way we talk about them that day. So that me boya, he work a fine, and as so say, as we talk to so the minister the year, and he go arrange the ministry. Me work a before me we know the over suffer. You know say global warming too. A big part of deforestation. I hope say since they don't make it, this big man for this post, he go look all this sector them. So that will not begin to suffer for outside. I want to take on we will see this accident where it happened for great support. This one for Boya. For great support for Boya, where truck driver he fail brakes and he enter person in the house. Make we watch the video or we.
Yes. Mama, me. The driver I placed there, you know. I swear to God. Yes. No man no die. No man. The man. The driver this way. There's go the employer they say the company is a camel. You know jam no man. At Naya so no man no die. See today na market day for Boya, great support. Na place the driver pass me do so cancel. No moto no naka no moto. See yes so. Ha. Driver here. Mama me. Driver I placed there. Now motoboy they fine, driver today fine. Yes. And I say they don't carry go now up. Yes. Driver come over up Bongo Square, they can't down. Where you don't feel na brakes. They fine. For market day today for OIC. Great support.
Yes, now the accident that way it happened for outside for great support, and Sabi say for this accident no man no be get even small cut. Now only property damage like how we see am for that house where they be broken and even the motor two way it be get crash. One time God say all man come out healthy. At least with life there is hope. If anything for happen now that problem be there, and Sabi say. If Dan say we get serious accident, better we damage properties then. So that means life prolong. As I say, the driver too no driving because it's not easy for if we fail brakes with that kind of BB motor way they go down here. So I say boy now one way here no, always straight so. And from my 17 to Boya town, now so it day. So if you fail brakes, you go only restriction on my 17 if you don't find place for park. And thank God say he park for person in the house. I believe say they go fix them and all things go work out. Before we go take una enter my 16, my country people, where they watch me for outside day. Where the happen for my 16, Operation Fast and Furious, part 8, where it be happen, you see and say, driver, dodge control, now speed be this, enter Cartier, ooh, now running be this, running, oh, people confused, people come outside. Follow driver where he be there inside the motor. If he say he kidnap person, they run with them. So they follow, catch him for road back because he no be no Cartier fine. Catch him for road back. As I said, now why he dey run so before the one discover? Say the boy the run actually control. You run control again, you still go enter na control. And you know say this guy, he be the same na petrol because two say for babu na petrol. Mama Jo, abeg put me this screen movie. My people can sit here and talk about. You find when now they place that my country people na police people then they call the woman where he be there inside that motor. Now then that way they for up road they call the woman say may they go See how they fit solve this matter because people be confused plenty. Now the man that way, if they will read close, talk with people them. Wait till happen and why it be the run so. Sabi say it be the run na control. And you know how it is controlled and they when it concern Clando drivers them, when they carry kako, so it be the run control na run am. Now why that it enter for cartel with that kind of speed? Cutting people their heart, people run come off for us and say, now wait till this her. Why person go enter cartel with that kind of speed? Where if it jump person? Kill him. And we want enter this with strong to read them. Where they for table when we go for entertainment to read. So I say me I touch all aspects. I be papa, but I touch all aspects for we country. Not be today where we days at this country. We don't hear palava foreign artists ban 80%, 20%, minus 2%, divided by 40. All kind percentage, they don't leave for we table. All man a mathematician, all man a minister of foreign affairs. All man na minister of art and culture. Where Sabi say this thing don't for fight who go sing plenty for our country, pass who, wait till we go listen them, pass who go come for our country and who will come outside this country if we can't sing music. But last, we don't get say Tenny. When some musician for Nigeria, it was except don't invite it for come for Cameroon, can't sing. On top this magu way, don't the happen for we for outside say they don't want foreign artists for here. Sabi say Naramali, where na still people for that side for Nigeria, where they knock better butubu, it call people they say Malians, it don't come for this country. They deny say no go sing here. Say order, come on say make it not sing. So the police people scatter place where they begin for sing. Destroy all thing. Now where they bring Tenny, abi they be the gender bias. Woman go sing, leave man picking. Wait till it happen. Would they hear? Anything will happen. And they see them. Tenny they come. Focus celebrate Women's Day with Cameroon women them. So say we too get we all women them too for this country. I don't know why they don't call them for go celebrate Women's Day. But now they told it that way we get for entertainment and we see case for Enobi, one of the people there for Malian concept. If you go see director in charge of entertainment for that side for Ministry of Art and Culture, may they see a way they fit get license so that the fit can make that concept. But I mean Naramali come back can sing for the people the way they don't wait and they don't even buy ticket so that make they can see as it is sing. We go take una enter Tori for sports where a day for we table. Sabi say me I like it palava sport now. That under 20 they ginger me where. That under 20 competition where they go on now for we young boy the way they do outside country. They get match today. Sabi say this boy they don't win not be small thing. And they don't the top league so they get match today versus Black Star of Ghana. We don't be small people too. They boy them to the play ball. So it shows that today for 5 o'clock match go play. Thing then go happen. Now they boy them that and it shows that they be all set. See I'm now under 20 picking and that. How that boy they already see so now under 20. That means they never reach 20 years according to way he talks. So I be say even the thing where 20 years, they don't bring argument for side where they play ball. Say this boy, they look too old. But that one of our problem. They are winning. And now they fixture than that. For people where they know match where now they fixture than that. How far they ever play. So I be saying a quarter final level. And they play in Ghana. And when they go play this match, I know say they go win. They go for semi-final. I know say they go win. They go for quarter final. We get to under 17 to where they can't start. I talk about this one because it then for Morocco. And I talk about it because I want to make this boy them. If they watch me now, when I hear me, if when I don't play like that boy, like when a big brother them for under 20, when I don't come back to this country, me, I don't wild. This country must go before. If when I don't play like that boy them, when they there for group C, and they be head for group C already. When I just maintain that position, so just you win. Maintain that position. Even when I come back for a year with the losses, I don't go one una again. Minister for Sports don't come up big book he say he don't prepare stadiums them or stats for all over the country, so that they fit play professional league. And a very good news this. So that more we not play again for month fee. Sabi say professional league for Cameroon. You enter the player, come on le Radmo Diga. Because all man, mud, from head to toe, you enter with white, come on with brown. Referee, they like captain for Radmo committee. Radmo Hunters committee. I believe say as they go to play for the feed them, they go come on neat. Sabi say the boy them too, they deserve the best. May they play too for this soft feed them. Not only for international competition where they build the feed them. And I say, Minister, you talk fine. I want beg una do one thing. I beg, make we cover this match them. Make them professional enough. Cover themselves with the World Champions League now, with the World Premier League. I don't want the imagine goals. I want to see the goals. Any person will score, may I see the person will score. I don't want to imagine anything. I want to call people their name. They show people live image. So if una go fit bring this one to, I go over glad plenty. Sabi so una get station 2 way. If the promote that one for sports, so una just respect una self, make another over shout. Now the story that I will get that for with local news. After this small teacup, I could take una enter international news. Make I just take this small teacup and they come back.
Touch that dial.
My country people, now international news time. This one is news the way they happen for outside the country, where we don't know how it is because we know they physically. But I don't go bring them for una so that make una too una know it way and know. Sabi say papa na mama we take care for all una. We go first enter na former Donald Trump now na Joe Biden. A country that USA, United States of America, where Reverend Father, he talk about this strong number them for palava, abortion, transgender. That's where they move picking way, not correct. And it change from man to woman. He talk about them say, it's not correct. In fact, me talk about yourself, make una hear them for your own mop. Mama Joe, play me that video.
Just recently elected a Catholic president, and he is Catholic. He's baptized. He is a member of the family. We've just elected a Catholic president who is diametrically opposed to all of the basic moral principles that are proclaimed by the Roman Catholic Church. Not only abortion and the sanctity of human life, but the sanctity of marriage and this gender silliness. How in the world did that happen? A Catholic. I'll tell you, if he wasn't Catholic, I probably wouldn't be so upset. He's a member of my family. He's the most powerful man in the world. And he is absolutely opposed to the basic understandings that God is the author of life. How in the world did this happen? You want an answer? I'll tell you the answer. Because our bishops have been silent for 60 years through bad catechesis and cowardice. They have barely said a thing. A few papers here and there. They speak of, there's things they could do. You say, well, why don't you do something? I'm just a little diocesan priest. I'm a grunt. They're the apostles. They have the voice. I just work for them at their privilege. They can get rid of me tomorrow. How have they allowed this to happen? What is it that they really believe? How poorly have they educated you? Good Lord. Can you imagine if in 2012, Mitt Romney, who was running for president, Mitt Romney, who is a Mormon, a member of the LDS Church, when he was running against President Barack Obama, if he were a cigar-smoking...
Yes, so now the Reverend Father, that way, he talk, say, this kind of thing, the way it happen, not be better thing. How you feel the legalized abortion? How you feel the legalized transgender? Where you be Roman Catholic, and you know say for that tradition, or for that religion, not be better thing. We go for our next story. Sabi say some video we don't come out about this pastor where he did for Nigeria where the prophet Suleiman Johnson Apostle Johnson Suleiman, where it be the brag about private jet, but he said don't come on now for give we the real explanation for what way it really happened. Make we not misjudge it, make we see what way he get for talk about this matter as it be go why.
The wickedness of this life is not far away. It's among your folks. The enemy of a doctor is a doctor. The enemy of an evangelist is an evangelist. The enemy of a pastor is a pastor. Look at me. Let me say something. There's a video going around. There's a video that's trending about me. It was posted by a pastor. A pastor posted that against me. Now, listen to this. It was a program I had in Abuja. And I was trying to explain something about COVID-19. And when they told me, they said, you said you prayed for COVID not to end. I said, me? I didn't say that. When they brought the video, I discovered it slipped out of my mouth. There's no pastor that will pray for COVID not to end. It doesn't make sense. When I was praying in the studio, but I was talking about what happened around COVID, how families were staying together, how families united, how some people even made money during that process. And that was what I was trying to buttress. Okay? And it slipped out of my mouth. Oh, I prayed for. I could not have prayed for COVID not to end. No pastor would do that.
Upon you, O Lord, over this captivity around the world, we command the pandemic to stop.
Begin to work miracles. Take the virus away. Take the virus away. Take the sicknesses away. But it took that mistake, edited some part, and blew it. Now listen to me. There is nobody in this world that cannot be advised. I'll be stupid to say, I don't care what people say. I would only care if people say it rightly. If you are angry and mention 3Jet, you will just die. That's the truth. Because when I built school and gave to government, you didn't talk about it. When I built prison and gave government, you didn't talk about it. When I constructed a federal road, you didn't talk about it. When I built houses and gave to widows, you didn't talk about it. When I bought transformers for community, when there was no light, there was no noise like this. You didn't talk about it. When I have people in my church who are graduates, no job, I put them on salary, waiting for jobs to come. Nobody's debating it. Then you are angry because I mentioned jet. You never vex. You never vex. If you cannot commend me, you cannot condemn me. Listen, that of COVID, I regretted the way it came out. Because I was telling them that my wife is so happy that I am at home. That this period, people stay at home. My wife was like, my husband can stay at home like this. Can life be this sweet? Not that we are happy that people were dying. That's insensitive. But they normally pick a little error, blow it out of. I reject it. When I saw that video, I went on my knees. I said, Holy Spirit, you know I cannot say this. I don't know how it came out of my mouth. I'm sorry about this. But for someone to sit down, you're analyzing. You don't commend me. You can't condemn me. The people I will listen to are those who commended my good works. When they now correct me, say, man of God, don't say this next time, I will listen to them. But apart from that, all bloggers and all newspapers, rubbish. God will only be angry with me if I take offering and tithes to buy plane. But if I have avenues of God blessing me and I do anything, what's your business? Is your money missing? That I should go and do road. Am I government? Did you vote me to power?
Another year or no. It don't talk at all. It don't give explanation. And it talk say na mistake, na slip of tongue. It not be mean for talk in that way. I talk plenty to them what we look up. It tell you how it tell you supposed to help the way to help. But whenever they talk about them, Sabi say it don't do plenty good things. It talk about transformer where on the ban for communities for Nigeria. Big house for widow them. I don't talk say if the 3 private jet the hot to go die. Go kill yourself. You know say because una like to spread the only bad news them. So now you respond to that viral video about the 3 private jet. So say people not be receive the news well. And plenty people they see as saying that it just be extravagant and it was not correct. Sabi say we use that case, so we link them to other pastors them where they don't do kind magu. Sabi say make I even just bring one of this one where now Prophet Buchiri as una know he big na pastor he be there in South Africa but he actually come about now Malawi. So he come out South Africa. He Malawian, he come out go South Africa, go host church. Jew people money, serious money, no be joke. And you know say now one of the richest pastors in this for South Africa carry people money and then he don't cross border, go he back for Malawi. Malawi government too don't tell the matter say they must see the end for this matter. Now that they stop all his family, may they not come out. So no money, you go no side out of Malawi, you go there, till the case be resolved. And Sabi say South Africa, the plan say, they go bring it back for South Africa. Me answer for all that crime them, palava money, if you say so it be innocent. But they need the me can prove it innocent. Don't have to run away. Go for Malawi. Because Malawi said say he need to take he criminal, keep up. So if he be criminal, he will go back, go answer for a crime. Now they pass for that, and a woman, Sabi say, now them two, they get the charges there. So if they be guilty, now them two. No man no go live for back. Now them two, all man go prison. Like Suleiman, I don't want to talk. See, Maga just use the opportunity to talk again. I beg, church no be business. If na business, we not tell we tell government too, may they start collect tax. Because one of the richest organizations for the world, I go talk na Catholic Church. And I get high money, but they pay no one tax. So if you want them to start paying taxes, make you talk. Make you want them church na business talk. We start paying taxes according to it when I receive. When I know they use God, they make money for una service interest. It's not correct. I know what to say Catholic Church you do wrong, but I believe say they get in there they do wrong. What I go want and say maybe they adjust them. My name na Papa Joe. I know they fear no nothing. I go talk them as it day. I don't want to throw Bibi salute. Sabi say they put new bishop, they install new bishop for Boya today. I want to throw Bibi salute. I told say make you use the opportunity. I said he take power for Boya. Make you use the opportunity, spread the word of God. Where may they do better? Me do better work. Me use this opportunity, make it be for them. May they do better work. Sabi say they receive money plenty, and I believe say if they receive plenty, the more you receive, they should give more. We go take una enter Niger. Sabi say Niger just come out. Forget a new president. We want to talk. Bibi congratulations to Mr. Mohamed Bazoum. We eat there for that side for Niger. Now their new president that Sabi say the old one will be the power. He say enough he continue for power and he be dropped down from power after 2 terms. And the only president me all African president them they decide for stay for power. Not mean say you overlike country. Me other people to take them so that they go feel how they shoot the hot. Not overcarry people their body. You know be Jesus Christ. Jesus not die for all we. So I want to say Bibi congratulations to we papa for that side. I will just say make you hold your country strong. Not just go to do anyhow. Your country, every life matters. Wala na cripple, imbecile, mumu, every life matter. No go the make because if they don't put you leader, they actually work from under, go up. You know they work from up, can down. Leader, they actually be part of the people from under. Feel their pain, help their pain, and we say congratulations, and I wish you a successful term in office. We want to talk about this case for minister for Botswana, when an interior minister, they catch him for airport, for palava embezzlement, and he try to do some more magu-magu, for say me they don't put in handcuff last no city will happen.
So that's how we get out of my okay, I'll call my wife. I don't appreciate that. Yeah. Okay, I'll call my wife. So what? I'm telling you, I got Can you just want to embarrass me? Yeah, without you want to embarrass me. You want to embarrass me. King then because it's a matter of you want to embarrass me? You want to be no, that who both. Or you want to embarrass me? Why? Can I go from how does it keep tricks? But that whole right. No, I need to know. Fun. I need to know.
Now, Minister Dad for Botswana, Minister of Interior Affairs, STDO for power, no be former minister. They don't catch him for embezzlement and fraud. Sabi say he don't use money for wrong way. They will give money, they will give 500, me go chop, me go buy papa for all man. They will buy papa for 200. Now they just the simple way that well, one put them, they will buy papa for 200, pocket 300, so that people they will go hungry. And you see, I say the Latin, and they ever talk and say, look at some fine thing, and we will try to stop them. Because if they don't give you money for do something, do them, make it finish, me all man, erase. Do them so that all man go glad for you. And if they try to negotiate, say me they not put your hand up, say be minister, no, you cannot do this to me. The blow baby grammar. Now the people to tell it, okay, we are police and we don't know grammar, we know only handcuff. So they handcuff, they take up, they go. And I want to congratulate that military, they do that work, and the people they do that findings. That is a very good work, and I encourage them so that we will live a very bright society for this outside. Me people know the only height sacred them. We will take una talk about this nice thing. You sabi say so nice thing that I don't ever tell una no. Very sweet. They call us say connect you. Connect you na be www.connectyou.com na be. All the way you define them for social media for the life, it did it. You want to say me social media, they help you. Say your thing demo, it did it. You want to be social media, help you be celebrity, it did it. If you want to be social media, help you find the way it don't lost for this outside, it did for that place. Now only for you, for go there, go check them. And we get steps away. All this that happen, it be very easy. The platform don't be very easy. Where even you, if you don't know how to read, even there, once as you open that platform, all things be simple for you. They get even people where they the platform all time ready for advise you, what to do, where to define, and how for better your stay for the platform. Now connect you, and I go like we use this opportunity, show now more about this connect you. Mama Joe put them in my people see what you at the talk, but they see the better thing way I talk about.